This is the Bnext VR headset, and this is gonna be a winner for any kid, especially like my 10-year-old grandson, everybody's playing with like these big expensive VR sets, and I was able to get him this and he was very excited. So this works with Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter, because you can download any of the VR apps and it's very simple. So I'd like to thank Bnext for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This is a great fun one. I love playing video games. So you just basically download on your phone, you put your phone into the headset, slide it in, and you've got your controller here. One of the apps that I downloaded that I thought was really fun, I'm an old dork, but there was a Cirque du Soleil one where I'm like literally sitting in the audience of Cirque du Soleil, and there is like performers in front of me and behind me and like next to me, and it's like you're in the audience. It was like super cool, so that was fun. And then there was a roller coaster one that was pretty cool, but yeah, they've got all kinds of games you can just download and play, and you've got your VR set ready to go. So pretty cool. Thank you again, Bnext.